The first step is to fill your sink with the appropriate temperature water. We have already completed this task. Next, ensure the enzymatic dosing tube is placed in the basin, then press Proceed. The user will then be prompted to scan their employee barcode followed by the barcode located on the scope with the Endobuddy supplied scanner. Attach the leak tester to the scope. Press Proceed to begin the leak test. The scope will be pressurized and then count for 30 seconds while the onboard pressure sensor checks for leaks. Submerge the scope in the filled basin to visually inspect for any leaks. Once the technician is satisfied with the results of the wet leak test, they will press Pass on the user screen. While the technician removes the leak test connector from the scope, the Endobuddy will automatically dose the appropriate volume of enzymatic into the basin. The technician will brush the channels as per manufacturer IFU. For this demonstration, we have skipped the brushing. Attach the connectors to the scope. Every Endobuddy comes with the interface connector and silicone tubing. Simply attach your connectors to the supplied autoclavable, reusable tube sets. Once the connectors are attached, press Proceed on the screen. The Endobuddy will prime the scope channels with fresh enzymatic solution. After the channels have been primed with enzymatic, the static soak will begin automatically. The static soak time is determined by the IFU of your enzymatic supplier, usually 1 to 2 minutes. Directly following the static soak, the Endobuddy will wash the scope channels with fresh enzymatic solution. Once the wash stage is complete, the technician will drain the basin of the wash solution while the Endobuddy purges the scope channels with air. If using a dual bowl configuration, transfer the scope to the freshwater basin. With the single bowl configuration as shown in the video, refill the basin with fresh water once the drain and air purge are complete. Once the basin is full, press Proceed on the touch screen to rinse the scope channels with fresh water. After the fresh water rinse, the Endobuddy will automatically purge the scope channels with air. The technician will drain the basin for the final time, and the process is complete. Detach the connectors and remove the scope. For further information on Endobuddy or Endosync, go to endosync.com.